Today, we're going to break down an incredible guide to building wealth with AI. We're going to look at 5 specific tools that people are using right now, as in today, to generate some serious income, often starting from absolute scratch.
And listen to this. That's a direct quote from someone using the exact strategies we're about to cover. This isn't some hypothetical what-if scenario. It just shows you how fast this new economy is moving.
And that speed is creating something totally new, an AI wealth gap. But here's the thing, it isn't just about who uses AI and who doesn't. It's a much deeper shift. The new wealth, it's not about having a traditional skill, like being a great voice actor or a video editor. It's about knowing how to use AI to get that skill's result. This slide really just lays it all out, doesn't it? You've got these 2 paths emerging. On one side, people are literally building brand new income streams with this tech. And on the other side, well, people are sticking with the old ways, missing the boat, and honestly falling behind. And that gap, it's getting wider every single day. And just so we're all on the same page here, this isn't going to be another explainer about the AI tools you already know about. No, we're going deeper. We're looking at the specific platforms that freelancers and entrepreneurs are using, kind of under the radar, to build real, substantial wealth. So first up, let's dive into the tools for creators. These are absolutely perfect for anyone who's looking to start a creative service business with almost zero upfront cost. All right, our countdown kicks off with tool number 5. This one turns plain old text into a professional voiceover. Let's see how a person named Dana used this very tool to build a serious income stream right out of the gate. The tool is called ElevenLabs. It's pretty simple. You paste in a script, you pick a voice you like, and boom. It generates broadcast quality audio in seconds. I mean, it's a total game changer for anyone who needs voice work done, like yesterday. And this right here really shows you the potential. So Dana, who's not a professional voice actor, by the way, started using ElevenLabs to offer voiceover packages on freelance websites, and in her first 3 months, she made what you see right there, $8,000. And the demand for this stuff is just huge. Think about it. Podcasters, YouTubers, businesses, they're all used to paying a ton of money for voice actors and then waiting a week to get the audio. With this, you can offer the exact same quality, deliver it in a day, and for way less money. Okay, moving right along to tool number 4. This one is all about tapping into one of the most valuable things on the planet, information. It's basically about becoming a research expert overnight. It's a tool called Perplexity AI. So imagine a search engine that doesn't just throw a bunch of links at you. Instead, it actually reads the internet for you, pulls all the important information together, and gives you a fully cited answer, just like a professional research assistant would. Work that used to take days now takes seconds. So how do you make money with this? Well, take Marcus, a consultant who uses Perplexity to create a super niche newsletter for his industry. With just 40 subscribers paying $199 a month, his one-person AI-powered business brings in almost $8,000 every single month. All right, so we've gone from research to visuals. Our third tool is poised to completely shake up an entire industry, high-end video production. The platform is called Runway ML. It lets you create and edit professional-looking video from just simple text prompts. We're talking about effects, edits, and entire scenes that used to require a massive budget and a whole studio, and now they're available to literally anyone. And this is exactly why it's such a massive opportunity. Check this out. A small brand spent $12,000 on a professional video shoot. Later, they made a nearly identical video using Runway for about $50. You can now be the person that brings this affordable, amazing video to millions of small businesses that could never have dreamed of affording it before. So we've covered tools that are revolutionizing creative work: voice, research, video. But the last 2 tools on our list combine to create what the source material calls the single biggest, most overlooked opportunity out there right now. And it's not about creating content, it's about fixing broken businesses. So what is it, right? What is this huge opportunity that's just hiding in plain sight? Well, it all starts by solving a really common and very expensive problem. Just take a look at this daily workflow from a small law firm. An office manager was spending 90 minutes every single day just manually going through emails, copying and pasting data, and sending follow-ups. I mean, this kind of tedious, repetitive work is silently killing thousands of businesses with wasted time and money. The solution, and the whole business model really, is something called automation as a service. You become the person who makes that headache just go away. And this is where our final 2 tools come in. The platform, tool number 2, is called Make.com.
You can think of it like a visual canvas where you connect apps together like puzzle pieces. You can literally drag a Gmail icon, connect it to a Google Sheets icon, and tell it, hey, when an email with this subject shows up, grab the sender's name and stick it in this column. No code required. And tool number 1, that's the AI brain you can now plug into all of this, letting it read, understand, and act on information intelligently.
Using that exact two-part system, the automation platform and the AI brain, someone built a solution for that law firm in just 4 hours. It now reads every email, pulls out the key info, and sends a personalized follow-up, all on its own. And the firm? They happily paid a one-time fee of $1,500 for it. That's the business, using these tools to solve these small problems for a really high-value fee.
So, we've looked at the tools, we've looked at the business models, we've looked at the opportunities. Now for the most important part. What do you do next?
I really want to leave you with this final thought. The people who won big with the internet or with social media, they didn't have some secret formula. As the source says, they just moved while everyone else was waiting to see if it was really a thing. Well, this is really a thing. We're in one of those moments right now.
So, the only question left is the one right here on your screen. Which tool will you try first? Just pick one. Spend a weekend playing with it. Find one small problem you can solve for one person. Because that, right there, is how every single one of these stories begins.